that was the best gelato. I have to highly recommend it. It's called Tondi. It's on State Street, and especially the hazelnut. I love that gelato. It was like the best gelato I've had in a while. Totally. If you're in Santa Barbara, stop at Tondi's Gelato. It was $9.65 for a large. I really like this street. I think it goes like something like a mile and a half from the city hall to the pier, but there's a tons of little cool stores, restaurants, and gift shops are actually not too cheesy like in San Francisco. I think some of the items are actually kind of neat. So there's one. We're gonna go in for a second. I see there's some beautiful dog in there. Hi, girlie.
Look, you see if there's something I want to get for Natalie.
I can't believe we've never been to Santa Barbara all these years, right?
All these years, right?
Hey, look at this. That's like the cutest dentist office. Right? That's a dentist office.
That is cute.
With a tooth actually on the above it.
Hey, what are you doing? Look at it. Look at that. Someone have to wash their face with it.
I really like that street. I don't know.
Somebody probably peed in that bush.
Hey, there's market. Word market.
Oh, it still says cost plus, honey.
Huh. Oh, look.
Oh, get the land chart, quick. Quick.
Are we going straight?
Yeah.
Now look at that place. I'd like to stay here in this hotel, honey. Huh? Hotel Santa Barbara?
Oh, yeah.
Hey. I think I'm gonna walk on the street a little bit.
I know, me too.
Because I'm missing half the...
Architecture, right? Oh, look at that.
Look at that was a cute little dog. It was cute. At least it wasn't barking.
Hello. Hello. That was cute.
Now that's the coolest looking world market too.
Right?
Once we get to the pier, I guess I could go walk back and then bring the car, pick a loop up.
You do. Thank you. Nora and I are.
I wonder
I
how it-
actually could walk back, but I don't want Nora.
I wonder how expensive is the Hotel Santa Barbara. Probably not.
Go check it out. The red piano.
Oh, I've always wanted to go to. I only knew one place in Plymouth. I've always wanted to go like a. I wish I could sing, first of all.
Oh, karaoke?
But like the piano bar, I've always like loved that thing.
That is really cute.
And they had it like outside, kind of, didn't they? Then they moved it in.
I smelled something good. I'm hungry, honey. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go split a sandwich. Then we're
And then
gonna
we'll
go
get some
get some fish and chips. So where did this guy tell you about? Maybe we can Yelp each of them.
Oh, I have no idea, honey.
Oh, you
Oh,
already
he told me
forgot?
Hendry's,
Hendry's?
like the beach.
That's a happy hour. I want to get one half on Sapporo. So we should put off electric lights.
I think that's what it is for the white.
Oh, is it? That kind of oh, honey, here comes one of those things.
the water tasting.
Sorry, they don't have the. You like any of them?
That is funny. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Hey.
12, 13.
Where's the kid? Releasing like above 90.
You don't see that too often. Somebody playing Dvorak. All I know was a classic composer from Eastern Europe.